How to create Uber driver's account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Uber driver. Tap on while using the app. Here you need to select whether you want to be the driver or ride with the Uber. Select according to your needs, so tap on continue. It will land you on this interface. First of all, you need to enter your phone number or the email address. And here you can create your account through your Google account, Apple ID, or the Facebook account. So let me tap on continue with Google. Now select your specific Google account and click on continue. You need to wait for a while. It will redirect you to this page. In this page, you will need to fill up some of the informations and then click on next at the bottom right corner. Different options will be visible to you. You need to complete all of those steps in order to set up your profile. And once it has been completed, your Uber driver account will be created successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial on how to create Uber driver account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching until the end.